In this video, we're going to be looking at reflection and reflecting shapes. Now we're asked to reflect shape C onto shape D using the x-axis. So our mirror line will be on the x-axis, which is here. Now if I count how far I am from the mirror line at this point, at this point, and at this point, it will then create my triangle as a reflection. To this first point, which I'll put a 1 next to, I am 2 squares up. So if I count 2 squares down, this is the point I'm at. Point number 2, I am 4 squares from the mirror line, which will put me here. And at point number 3, I am 4 squares from the mirror line, so that would put me here. I can then construct my new triangle using a pencil and a ruler and label it as D. In this question, I'm asked to reflect shape G onto shape H using the y-axis. So first of all, I need to find the y-axis and draw in my mirror line, which is here. Now I need to look at each of the points. So if I make this point 1, this point 2, this point 3, and point 4. And point 1 has got a coordinate of 1, 1. So reflecting that in the y-axis will be minus 1, 1. Point 2 has got a coordinate of 4, 1. So it'll be minus 4, 1. Point 3 has got a coordinate of 2, 3. So it'll be minus 2, 3. And point 4 has got a coordinate of 3, 3. So it'll be minus 3 and 3. Then I can join each of those together to make my trapezium and label it as shape H. Now in this question, I'm asked to reflect shape K onto shape L using the line x equals minus 1. So on my x-axis, I need to find minus 1, which is here. And I draw the line x equals minus 1 using my ruler. Which will go here. And label that as x equals minus 1, just to remind myself. Now I need to look at how far I am from the mirror line for each of my points. So point 1 here, you can see I am 2 jumps from the mirror line. So that means I need to go 2 jumps from the mirror line in reverse. Point 2, I'm 4 points from the mirror line, so 4 points from the mirror line would go here. Draw my line in. And do that for each of the points until I've created the reflection in the line x equals minus 1. In this question, I'm asked to draw the reflection in the line y equals 3. So find 3 on the y-axis and draw in my mirror line, which would go here. And label that as y equals 3 to remind myself for later. I can then find the 4 coordinates and then I can join together using a pencil and a ruler, ensuring my shape is reflected accurately. Now in this question, we're asked to describe the transformation. Now straight away you can see that the shape has been reflected. So we always start with the word reflected, and then we have to find the line in which it's been reflected. Now you can see in between the two shapes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. In order to find the line it's reflected on, we need to half that. So 4 divided by 2 would be 2. So it's going to be reflected after 2 jumps. So we can draw our mirror line in the correct place, which is going to be here. And that line, we know, is y equals -1. So it's reflected in line y equals -1.